Bonjour everyone. Today's video I'm sharing to discuss activity and exercise of lesson number 5 of your textbook. In lesson number 5, I had explained you la négation in your last class. Page number 45, la négation with partitive articles. In partitive articles, I told you whenever we are making a negative sentence with partitive articles, we need to change partitive articles to DE. And partitive articles are the articles which are used to denote imprecise quantities sum. So whenever we are making a sentence negative, we do not need sum. For example, I'm making some tea. In negative sentence, you do not need to say I'm not making some tea. You can simply say I'm not making tea. Okay, so the rule that you need to keep in mind while making negative sentences with partitive articles in them is that whenever there are partitive articles in a sentence, so when you will make them negative, you will change the partitive articles to DE or D apostrophe. Here you can see on page number 45, they have given you some examples for the same. Je fais du thé. I'm making some tea. Je ne fais pas de thé. I'm not making tea. Il veut de la baguette. He wants some baguette. Baguette is a long French bread. Il ne veut pas de baguette. He doesn't want baguette. Elle veut de l'eau. She wants some water. Elle ne veut pas d'eau. She does not want water. So we do not need to keep DEL apostrophe as it is, okay? For making it negative, we will change it to T or D apostrophe. But yes, keep in mind, if we have verb être in that sentence, then this rule will not apply. If we have verb être, for example, ce sont des amis, these are some friends. So if you have être verb, SONT is être verb, if you have any form of verb être, then this rule will not apply. Then DES will be as it is DES in the negative as well. Ce ne sont pas des amis, these are not the friends. C'est une gomme, this is an eraser. Ce n'est pas une gomme, this is not an eraser. So here we will not change partitive articles or indefinite articles into DE. Now let's do the activity which was given to you for trying. Please match your answers. If you have any answer wrong, you can just correct it with me. Nous mangions des crêpes. We are eating some pancakes. Now again we have some here and we want to make it negative. For making it negative, the sentence will be Nous ne mangions pas de crêpes. Nous ne mangions pas de crêpes. I'm not able to fit it here, so I'll have to delete it after you people have written the answer or check the answer. Nous ne mangions pas de crêpes. Then the next one is Elle veut du jus d'orange. She wants some orange juice. Again, we'll have to make it negative. So our du will change to the for making it negative. Negative. Elle ne veut pas de jus d'orange. Elle ne veut pas de jus d'orange. Ils ont une voiture. They have a car. For making this negative, we will change it to negative first. Ils n'ont pas de jus. Sorry, ils n'ont pas de voiture. J'ai une baguette. I have a baguette. Baguette is a long French bread. Now you want to say, I don't have any baguette. So, je n'ai pas de baguette. C'est un étudiant. Now here, be careful. We have verb être here. C apostrophe EST. So there won't be any change while making it negative. We will just change it to ce n'est pas. Then we have il mange de la glace. They are eating some ice cream. Il ne mange pas. The la will change to du. Glace. Il ne mange pas de glace. The la will change to de. Il ne mange pas de glace. So here you can observe that when we are making a sentence negative, we are changing all the partitive articles or indefinite articles to de or d apostrophe. Okay, but this rule will not apply with verb être. Just as in part 5 you can see we have verb être. So this rule will not apply in verb être. Let us move on to the exercise. In the first question, you have to write down the names of these things in French, and I'm expecting you all to try this on your own. Do not worry, we will discuss this in the class. But first of all, let's do the definite, indefinite, and the partitive articles that we have done in this chapter. Let's come to question number 2 straight away so that you can match your answers. Complète avec les articles définis ou indéfinis. Be very careful, only definite or indefinite articles you have to use. Definite articles are le, la, l apostrophe and les, and indefinite articles are un, un and they. Definite articles are used when either in the starting of the sentence or when you know something about the object. And indefinite articles are used when you do not know something about the object. Okay. So the first one is dash professor est en retard. So it's very obvious. The sentence is starting with the article. So it will be definite article. And the professor is masculine. So it will be le. Le professeur est en retard. Il fait dash exercice de français. Il fait. He is doing dash French exercises. Now we might write some French exercises. We do not know how many exercises he is doing. So il fait, he is doing some French exercises. Again, the starting of the sentence in part 3, the t-shirt of Sophie is very expensive. So le t-shirt. Dash enfant de ma mère, de ma sœur s'appelle Antoine et Alicia. The children, starting of the sentence again, so les, the children of my sisters are Antoine and Alicia. Number 5, dash enfant joue dans le jardin. The children are playing in the garden. So again, les. Je vais au restaurant avec dash amis. I am going to the restaurant with dash friends. Now we do not know with how many friends is he going. So, they. À l'opéra, dash spectateur applaudissent l'acteur. At the opera, the people are applauding the actor. The spectators are applauding the actor. So, the spectator. So, les. Nous aimons beaucoup dash musique de Beethoven. Now you know we are talking about music of Beethoven. So we know whose music is it. So la musique. Dash chien de mes voisins est méchant. Dash dog of my neighbors is very naughty. So dog is masculine. Le chien. Say dash excellent film de action. It is the excellent film of action. So, c'est un. It is an excellent film of action. Je préfère dash film de François Truffaut. Now we know we are talking about the movies of François. So, les. Je veux dash tasse de thé. I want a cup of tea. A cup of tea. Cup is feminine, so U-N-E. I want a cup of tea. Now in question number 3, you only have to put the definite articles. So you all know definite articles are le, la, l apostrophe and les. We do not have any other option, so be careful while putting the articles, only definite articles. J'adore dash café sans sucre. I love the coffee without tea. And coffee is masculine, so le. I'm sorry, I love the coffee without sugar, not tea. I'm sorry. So I love the coffee without sugar. Number two, c'est dash bière que je préfère. This is the beer that I prefer, and beer is feminine, so la bière. J'aime dash musique de Edith Piaf. I like the music of Edith. So that is again la because music is feminine. Dash test of French is difficult. So here test is masculine. So le. Dash Hongkongais travaillent beaucoup. The people of Hong Kong work a lot. So it will be les. Say dash livre de Patrick. This is the book of Patrick. Book is masculine, so le. Say dash femme de Ludovic. This is the wife of Ludovic. Wife is feminine, so la. Dash cahier de Martin est dans mon sac. The notebook of Martin is in my bag. Notebook is masculine, so le. J'aime beaucoup dash animaux. I like animals a lot. Animals are plural, so les. Il fume dash cigarette américaine. He smokes American cigarettes. So again, plural. Cigarettes are plural. Now I want you all to give question number 5 and 6 a try at your home so that whenever we have a next class, we can discuss question number 5 and 6. In question number 5, you have to fill in the blanks with partitive articles. You all know what are partitive articles? Du, de la, del apostrophe and des. Be careful, we do not use partitive articles with liking, loving, hatred and preference. And in 6th question, you have to fill in the blanks with either definite or indefinite or partitive articles. I'm expecting you all to try this by your next class so that we can discuss it. Hopefully, it will be on Monday. Now, let's move on to question number 7. Met à la forme négative. Now, you have to make the sentences negative. We have already done one activity related to this. So, I'll be doing this with you right now. Nous sommes dans la classe. We are in the class. Nous ne sommes pas dans la classe. You can please continue. I don't have much space here. So you can continue writing dans la classe. Dans la classe. In the second one, we have Mon père travaille dans un bureau. My father works in an office. So here the negation will be Mon père ne travaille pas dans, and then you can continue dans un bureau. Nous mangions des spaghetti. We eat spaghettis. So for making this negative, we'll use nous ne mangions pas. And don't forget to change the partitive article to de, de spaghetti. Ce sont des journalistes. These are some journalists. Ce ne sont pas des journalistes. Tu regardes un film italien? You're watching an Italian movie? Tu ne regardes pas the. We have an indefinite article which will change to the film italien. Then we have nous faisons des exercices de français. We are doing the French exercises. Nous ne faisons pas the exercice. Don't forget des will change to d apostrophe. The exercice. Le professeur corrige les tests. The professor is checking the tests. Le professeur ne corrige pas les textes. No change in anything. Only no and pa. And the last one is el trabaja a la aeropuerto. They work at the airport. So el no trabaja al aeropuerto. I hope negative sentences are clear to you now. But still, if you have any doubt, you can clear those doubts with me in your next class. Au revoir.